Hello there, welcome back to the Closet Historian. Today I have something a little bit different for you guys. I was actually recently sent a lovely gift package in the mail from Besame, but it was not from Besame the company, it was actually from a friend of mine who wanted me to be able to try out some of their products and review them, maybe talk about them on my channel if I wanted to. And so that is what I'm going to do today. I have two products from Besame to test, well, technically two different kinds of things, but one of them is a multiple color kit here. This is a sample pack sort of their lipsticks of different colors. It's got 5 different lipsticks in here, and I am actually wearing the Red Velvet 1946 color right now. This is the first time I've tried it. It feels very creamy and nice on the lips, but I'm not sure how much it's going to move around because I am more used to liquid lipsticks now as opposed to cream lipsticks, but I do sometimes still wear cream lipsticks as well, so this will be fun to try out and try out the other colors eventually. But what I'm really excited to review for you guys today is the Cake Mascara, which is a very different type of mascara that us modern gals just aren't used to. This is like a little pat of ink, almost like a solid little cake, I suppose. Cake mascara of ink, of mascara in here. It makes me think of like calligraphy, because you kind of have to like wet your brush and get in there. This is going to be a very interesting experience for me, something I've never tried before. So let's just zoom in and give it a try, right? I have one eye, I'm going to try the little brush that it comes with, and then I also have a spoolie because that just seems like something that would work better to me. Whoa, y'all, that's real close. That's real close, y'all. So here are my eyes. These are my eyelashes, just as they are. So again, I apologize. They are quite long and nice already. So it's hard to review mascaras when you have such great eyelashes already. Not to brag, but so I'm gonna get my little Besame thing here wet with the little brush that they gave. Let's see if I can show you that. So here's the mascara little cake here, and I've just got a little bit of water here. And I think you just scoosh it around a little bit. So I'm going to give that a shot here. And then I have a little mirror. And yes, it has kittens on it. So, I mean, that's the best kind of mirror, as we all know. Can I show you all and show myself at the same time? So here we go. This is with the little brush that it comes with. And I'm just going to try and brush this through without getting it all over the place exactly. And I'm kind of coming from the bottom here. I didn't really have a technique or idea how to do this. It's definitely not a very curling mascara, and I could have curled my lashes beforehand, but of course it's not made for. Oh, I got it all on my waterline. Ooh, that's a hazard. All right, don't blink, Esposito. Okay. Whew. All right, off of the waterline, we're good. We're safe. So that's a hazard. I think you are supposed to be able to build this up and do several layers if you want to. I can't see how to tell you how I've got that on there. So I think that is something that's possible here as well. Being very gentle and delicate here because I don't want to ruin my other makeup. Will it focus on me? It doesn't want to. So this is just with the little brush that it comes with. It's interesting for sure. But I would say, as far as like, yes or no, I would say it works. It's a thing. I also do have a little spoolie brush here that I want to give a try on the other eye. So that's what we're going to do now. So once again, I'm just getting the brush wet and then wiping that around on the product here. Probably not. I'm definitely not used to doing my makeup on camera here. Again, I think one of the bigger hazards of this for some reason is me getting it on my... Oh, this is getting... We are getting a little bit Jackson Pollock-y up here. We're getting a little bit of a splash, which is surprising because I'm using the spoolie now. But I probably just put too much water, I suppose that means. But I would say that most of this length you're seeing here is because it's blackening the end of my own lashes. It's not adding any length that I can tell, really. So this is the finished Besame mascara application. Again, I got a little bit of spray on the top of my eyelid, which is unfortunate, but I think that's just because I added too much water and I got a little hasty there. I do want to put on my usual mascara here as well, just so you can see the difference. I think I'm going to put that on this eye, since I already used the spoolie on it anyway. That way we can compare my usual mascara with the Besame as well. So I'm just going to put that on my eye as well. Oh, look what happened here. My little friend Where are you coming from, little guy? So this is my normal mascara. I did actually get some on my cheek underneath because applying it for the camera, not the same as applying it in the bathroom in my mirror. And this is the Besame. So here we have the Besame. You can sort of see what my eyelashes look like or how long they are. And then this side is my normal mascara. I do think my normal, like, Physicians Formula modern mascara does give me a little bit more volume and length and curl compared to the Besame, but that is to be expected because, of course, it is formulated for a different purpose in many ways, because Besame is formulated to give you a authentic vintage glamorous experience, and Physicians Formula is not. So there's that. And here I am with my finished look with mascara on. So that was really a fun experiment to use this Besame. I actually liked it more than I thought I was going to. I thought I was really just not going to enjoy the experience of having to do it quite manually compared to how we normally just have mascara in a tube. But it was really quite fun to use. It's obviously something that, you know, if you're rushing in the morning, you're probably not going to want to pull this out. But if you're having a glamorous, like, long, get ready to go out sort of an evening, which is very fun and a very good self-care activity, so give it a try sometime if you have the chance. I think this would be really fun to have on your vintage vanity. It certainly looks very beautiful, and it was worked better than I thought it was going to, and I enjoyed it more than I thought it was going to. So that's my review of this mascara. Of course, I'm not testing the wear time of it because I don't even have that many hours left in my day because I might have slept in a little. So I can't really test the wear time for you, but there are a lot of reviews of this mascara in a more beauty blogger based way here on YouTube because, of course, any product now that you consider buying, they're going to have a review either on YouTube or online somewhere for it. And I have many times been inside of Ulta and just looked up to see if some new product I have an idea about buying is considered good or not, because you can just find a review for everything these days. So that is my experience trying this Besame mascara. Again, thank you to my friend who sent me these products to try. It makes it sound like I'm saying my friend Besame, because Besame sends a lot of free, like, PR stuff to people on the internet all the time, but it's not Besame who sent me these things. It's my lovely friend that I've known for a very, very long time. So thank you again for sending me these products to try. It was very fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video today, you guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Oh, look at this. What have I done? So much fail, you guys. Oh, great.